Hey, sitting here with Dave Avery. He's my general contractor. Nice to see you again, Dave. We just got done looking at a house across the fairway, and we're looking at remodeling that to upscale that and get that done. Give me your thoughts on that house. What do you think that we should do to that?
Well, you know, it's a nice home on the golf course. It's got a lot of square footage, but it's got some walls and a kitchen that's pretty outdated. We need to move some walls, update that kitchen, go back up to 8 foot, get some good lighting going on, take out some old windows, and just do a little bit of a facelift.
Yep. And then you think tile all the way through that home? Get rid of the carpet would be a good idea.
Yeah,
I think
absolutely.
that's
Yeah, the carpet's pretty worn, pretty dated, and tile is kind of the up and going thing here.
Yeah.
So, absolutely.
So there's a couple other little things that we're going to do that. I think we could take that house and put, you know, what would you say an estimate off the top of your head in there to get that where that's
80, 90, 100,000.
and that's going to increase that value probably up into the 7 to 7.5 range is what we're thinking listing that at after it's finished.
Good.
So I think something like that is going to greatly improve the neighborhood. And if you guys are thinking about remodeling or bringing somebody in like me to help sell a home.
Absolutely. I've done over 2,000 of these and kind of got it down. So
All right.
I'd love to appease you.
There you go. We'll catch you guys later.